In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of your Shopify store by utilizing some key apps and features that can elevate your online business. Let's dive in and explore this exciting journey together. First, we're going to begin at the heart of your business, the Shopify dashboard. This is your command center where you can access all the vital tools and resources to manage your store effectively. Start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to My Store side, which is often accessible from the home section of your Shopify admin panel. This will give you a comprehensive overview of your store's performance and allow you to make informed decisions about what steps to take next. Next, you'll want to visit the Shopify App Store. This marketplace is a treasure trove of applications designed to optimize and enhance your store's functionality. To get there, look for the Apps section in your Shopify admin and select Shopify App Store. Here you can explore various categories of apps, each serving different purposes from marketing and customer support to inventory management and analytics. Once you're in the App Store, it's time to search for specific apps that meet your needs. In our case, type in Highlight in the search bar to discover apps related to product highlighting and promotion, designed to make your products stand out to your customers. You'll find a variety of options tailored to different uses, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your store. When you find an app that suits your needs, the next step is easy. Simply click on Install or Open to begin the process. This part is crucial, as installing the right app can completely transform how you engage with your customers and manage your store's operations. Make sure to follow any on-screen instructions to ensure a successful installation. Now, with the app installed, head back to your Shopify dashboard. There, navigate to the Apps section once more and locate the newly installed app. For this example, we'll focus on Restock Rocket, a fantastic tool for managing pre-orders and inventory notifications. Click on Pre-orders within the app interface. This feature is incredibly useful for managing upcoming product launches or dealing with products that are temporarily out of stock. Finally, to capitalize on this new feature, click on Add New Offer within the Pre-order section. This option allows you to set up campaigns or promotions related to upcoming or out-of-stock products, keeping your customers informed and engaged even when items aren't immediately available. It's an excellent way to keep your audience connected and eagerly anticipating your next restock. By following these steps, you've empowered your Shopify store with advanced tools and features that can reshape your storefront and enhance customer interaction. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Shopify experience.